Okay, this will be a relatively quick one. At Akehurst here again with another Genius Pages tutorial. This one is going to be on how to clone a site. Assuming you have an unlimited account, you can make as many sites as you want. And here's what I'm working on. This is actually what I'm building now, this Genius Pages training website. And there are several options here on your list that you can see of the sites you've built. You have these icons down underneath of each one. The one on the left, the green one, is to edit the site. I'll go ahead and click that just so you can see. That takes you back into the builder, which is what we've been working on the other videos in here. And while I'm in here, I want to show you, remember these site settings, okay? You can see these from inside the builder and where the site's been published. I'm showing you that because the next thing we'll look at, or shortly we'll look at that again from a different perspective, actually right now. That's the gear icon. Click the settings, and you can get that from the main page. See that? Okay, so you don't have to be in the builder to change the site settings. You do have to be in the builder to change the page settings, but not the site settings. And then you can delete one, and if you click it, it will ask to confirm, but don't click it. And then you can hit clone, make a copy of this site. Let's click that. And it'll refresh the page. And then once it's come, it'll probably be at the very back. Let's find where that has gone. There we go. Genius Page. I didn't scroll down far enough. Genius Pages training. If we take a look at this, let's look at the settings. You can see this is a clone. It says clone right there, and it's not published. So it copies everything on the site except for where it's published, and it changes the creation date. This one was created 4/15, last edited today, 5/12. Down here, created on 5/12, and I'll just show you how we can delete that. You can delete, that's the clone, so we can just delete forever, and it's now gone. That is how to clone a site and then also access some other features here from the dashboard. I will see you on the next video.